Turn it down.
Turn what down?
Camera.
What, the TV? What are you talking about?
Shoes and a pair of batting gloves we found in his closet. Blood evidence matches up with the victim, Roger Conniff. Powder residue on the gloves matches ballistics on Hector's gun.
Hot damn, Mal cooking. Welcome, Sanchez now. Go. Do it. All right, Joe. Let's go get some good news for a change. What's the matter?
She's got another piece of that on.
Why don't you talk to the guy? Pay him off if you have to. Get that grief out of your life.
Alright, that's it, you got. Are you just trying to record the hiccups? These are my first out of the belly hiccups.
How am I gonna get rid of them? They're cute hiccups.
You look cross-eyed, sweetheart.
He is cross-eyed.
Honey, I got a lot going on here with you recording and